I have been interviewing content creators and live streamers for the last year plus. That's amazing. I have a show called Streaming Superstars, and that has been an amazing experience, and this is going to still go on. But I want to tell you something that is really exciting. I'm working on this new show that is going to be called Secrets of a Content Creator. This is going to go more detailed, more deeper than anyone has ever told you. If you're just a starting creator, you don't know the struggles of the work balance, how many hours. You're gonna find out from this show, and I will interview you if you're a content creator, if you're working a 9 to 5 still. The only things that are required is you need a microphone, a camera, and lights. That's it. And a stable internet connection, because that's how we will communicate. But really, this is going to be open. This is going to be a mini series on the channel. There's a form down below that you can sign up to be a guest. Now, this is going to be on a Saturday or a Sunday, and I'm going to record a couple interviews on the same day so that I can publish this. But I'm really excited to show you the finished product.